Hey everyone, Jacob here with BigBattery, and today we're here to unbox our new 48V Husky 2. This powerhouse of a battery is part of our newest lineup of next generation batteries. Let's get started. As you open the box, the first thing you'll notice is a thick layer of form-fitting foam padding to protect the battery from damage. You have the unit in the middle, and on the sides you have two small pouches that contain a red and black rubber cover, two Husky carrying handles, once you have the carrying handles hooked on, you're going to want to lift the battery out of the box. Let's remove the handles and get into the battery. So the 48V Husky 2 is IP65 rated with self-heating function for those of you in a cold environment. It's also LFP chemistry, safest on the market. And if you scan this QR code right here, you can get the full spec sheet for more information. In addition, we have these L brackets for versatile mounting options that you can place on the side front, top side, or side rear, as well as front bottom, along with the battery mounting plate. And keep in mind that it's not series capable, but you can connect up to 16 batteries in parallel. Looking at the top of the battery, you have your positive and negative terminal leads. And when you're ready to make a connection, remove the terminal guards and use the M8 stainless steel nuts that come included. We have two communication ports with CANBus and RS485 communication protocols, an LED state of charge indicator, and your power button. For an additional upgrade, you can add on an LED capacity meter for an even more accurate reading. And there we have it, guys. That was our first look into our next generation 48V Husky 2. These are perfect for golf carts, utility carts, and much more. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 818-280-3091. For more information on the 48V Husky 2, click the link in the description below. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more awesome content. And don't forget to check us out at BigBattery.com for all of your energy solutions.